So I chose Gusoma because I saw a post from a friend, and I decided to give it a try. Before joining Gusoma, I didn't know anything about Kinyarwanda. If I did, like, it was like the most basic thing that I knew about Kinyarwanda. What was the best thing about the program? Honestly, the best thing about the program for me was the people, the student, the teachers. Like, they are really, really good people at Gusoma. Like, they are friends to me now. So now the best thing about Gusoma, the thing that I really like about it was the people, honestly. Great people, awesome people. So that would be the best thing. Also, another thing that I love about Gusoma is because they adapt to your schedule. Basically, like, there's a lot of people from different countries, different continent, different time zone, and they find a way to adapt to your schedule to make sure that you are able to attend all the classes, and that's a really good thing. Also, about the classes, the thing that I love about the classes is like they really want you to understand all the classes. You can ask all the questions that you want. You can text teachers after class. They will respond as soon as possible. We have a group chat. We have a group chat that you can always ask questions. We also my colleague from Gusoma, the student that I call friends now, we have our own group chat that we still to this day use, and we basically talk with each other and ask questions when we need to. So that's a lot. That's a lot of good thing about Gusoma, honestly. Three main result that I achieved during the program is like I started as a beginner, and now my understanding, especially my understanding, is way, way, way better. Like, I can understand a lot more. I'm more comfortable to speak, more comfortable like to speak with people, to understand now. Now when I'm around Rwandese and they speak to me in Kinyarwanda, like, I'm able to respond, to understand what they're saying and everything. So yeah, that would be it. And what I will say to other students looking to join the program is make sure to practice every day, give enough time, effort. Make sure you do your exercise every day. That's super important because, like I said at the beginning, like Kinyarwanda is a pretty difficult language, complex language, but it's possible to be able to learn it. And yeah, I had an awesome experience. Honestly, I had an awesome experience with Gusoma. Love the people. They're friends for life. So yes, that would be how I describe the program.